AppManager, the easiest way to handle app images on Linux. No Fuse hassle. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Linux, especially Ubuntu or other desktop distributions, you've probably encountered AppImages. They're fantastic, portable, self-contained apps that you can run anywhere without installing anything. Just download, make executable, and go, right? Well, not always. On modern Ubuntu, there's that annoying Fuse 2 versus Fuse 3 issue that forces you to install extra packages just to launch many app images. Today, I'm excited to show you AppManager, a beautiful, modern tool that makes working with app images feel effortless and actually enjoyable. Whether you're new to app images or have a collection of them, this app could change how you manage software on Linux. Let's dive in.
So, what are AppImages? Quick explanation. For those who might be new, AppImages are single file packages that bundle everything an application needs. No repositories, no dependency hell, and they work across most Linux distros. It's one of the best ways to try software quickly, but traditional handling can feel clunky, marking files executable, creating desktop shortcuts manually, updating apps one by one. That's where AppManager shines. So, now what is AppManager? AppManager is a free, open-source GTK4 Libadwaita application written in Vala. It's designed specifically to simplify installing, managing, and updating app images on Linux desktops. The standout feature? It doesn't require you to install libfuse2t64 or deal with Fuse complications on Ubuntu. Instead, it uses uruntime, a clever modified app image runtime, to mount and run app images smoothly, even on systems with Fuse 3 by default. It supports both classic SquashFS packed app images and the newer DwarFS format.
Now, about installation, super simple. Getting started is straightforward. 1. Head to the official GitHub releases page for chem-a/appmanager. 2. Download the latest app image. 3. Make it executable, or let AppManager handle it later. 4. Double-click it, and you'll see a clean macOS-style installation prompt. Just drag the app icon to your applications folder, or wherever you prefer, you can customize this, and AppManager installs itself with full desktop integration. It creates proper .desktop files and shortcuts so it appears nicely in your app menu. It works great on Ubuntu 24.04/26.04 and many other distributions, even older ones.
Now, about main features walkthrough style. Once installed, here's what you can do. Double-click any .app image. AppManager launches and offers that familiar drag-and-drop install experience. No need to right-click and set permissions manually. Import existing app images. Got a folder full of them? Use the import tool, point it at files or directories, and AppManager will organize, integrate, and create launchers for all of them. Powerful per-app management. Set custom command line arguments. Choose portable mode, keeps config in the app folder, or use system home/config. Add environment variables or modify $path. Change icons and edit search keywords for better discoverability in GNOME Shell or other launchers.
Updates made easy. Link your app images to GitHub or GitLab releases. AppManager can check for updates automatically, and where supported, it uses efficient Z-Sync Delta updates, so you don't download the entire file every time. You can even schedule background updates. Performance option. For slower machines, there's an extract mode that unpacks the app image contents for faster launch times, at the cost of some disk space. Clean uninstall. No more hunting for leftover .desktop files. Just select the app in AppManager and hit Remove. It handles cleanup properly. There's also a bundled CLI if you prefer terminal workflows for scripting or bulk operations.
Now, about comparison with other tools. You might have heard of AppImage Launcher or Gear Lever. Both are solid, but AppManager stands out because it avoids Fuse issues entirely
and offers deeper customization options like per-app settings, extracted mode, and broad compatibility. It feels polished, modern, and focused on making the whole experience seamless. Who should use it? If you frequently try new app images, want better desktop integration without hassle, prefer not to mess with system packages for Fuse, or just like clean macOS-inspired workflows on Linux, then AppManager is worth trying.
Now, about the conclusion. AppManager is one of those tools that quietly solves real pain points and makes Linux desktop life better. It's open source, actively developed, and distributed as an app image itself, perfect for the ecosystem it serves. Have you tried AppManager yet? What's your favorite way to handle app images? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Linux app reviews and tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos. Links to the GitHub and download are in the description. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.